Ngibingelela bafethu, welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my Facebook page. It's Chef the Soul TV News. I'm not doing this video just because I want to be against my sister or Ines or something, but I'm doing this video just to acknowledge, just to inform also abanye abantu, because I know ukuthi singabantu information si-interpret or si-analyze ngendlela ehlukahlukene regarding ukuthi yini ebekiwe phambi kwamehlo ethu. Njengamanje we are doing ama-judgments singabantu nje emphakathini ehlukahlukene, ngabe kuma-departments njalo njalo. We are doing a judgment against my sister. Most of the people I can see my comments, because this video has been trending and it's posted by different people from different platforms. So sithola abantu benokugxeka kakhulu then uku-check ukuthi what was the main root or what was the original cause of this behavior kulo my sister. Okay, at first mina I'm fighting against indlela lo my sister abehave ngayo. Reason why ngisho kanje because ngokwe-profession akumvumeli ukuthi enze lento ayenzile, regardless ukuthi isiguli senzeni, either leyo nto leyo esiyenzile ibi-wrong against her, either isiguli besimharasa or isiguli besenza kune-security ekhona ezibhedlela to protect ama-employees, especially abantu abafana nabo o-nurse, because we all know ukuthi kunabantu abama-perverts who will always try some means to get through abantu-ke abafana nabo o-nurse, yabo. So either be i-language mhlampe besetshenziswa yena-ke usisi or i-language ebesetshenziswa yisona isiguli, we don't know, yabo. But then thina we are just judging over into esiyibona seyenziwa uyena unesi. Abantu-ke abawofakazi aba-right ibona laba basesibhedlela futhi abayizona iy'guli. Ngokwamanye ama-captions athi-ke unesi kade eqalile vele ethethisa iziguli, yabo. Yes, engakwenza lokho asiphiki, but-ke kwenza kusukela ekuthenini-ke u-treat-wa kanjani by abantu azama ukubasiza njalo njalo, or uma ebanikeza ama-instructions bona ba-responda kanjani njalo njalo. If uyi-nurse-ke you can take a definition of being a nurse, yabo. Kumele ube umuntu o-patient, njengoba bebizwa ngama-patients nje, kumele ube umuntu-ke onesineke, ube umuntu okwaziyo ukubekezela, ube umuntu okwaziyo futhi-ke ukumela izimo noma kungasafanele, futhi-ke kuhamba nakho ukubekezela lokho. It's not a very good thing ukuthi uthemparishe against i-profession yakho. That's one of the worst behaviors you will ever maybe wanting someone to come across, or you will ever experience, or you will ever want to see someone experiencing, yabo. Because manje ama-results alapho awekho mnandi, abantu ba-unemployed, they need umsebenzi ngapha nangapha, and then wena udlala ngethuba, udlala ngawo lo msebenzi while we are busy looking for umsebenzi. For instance nje, nawu umthetho obalulekile ohamba kakhulu, especially uma umuntu oyi-nurse, lo nurse mhlampe-ke bekumele-ke angawukhohlwa regardless of indlela mhlampe isiguli ebesenza ngayo. Anyways bafethu, mina bengingajabula ukuthi-ke ningitshele ukuthi-ke what are your thoughts? Do you think even if kuyisona isiguli esenze leyo nto-ke it's okay just to respond, or ucabange noma ucabange kancane, ucabange ngenhliziyo instead of ukuthi acabange nekhanda, a-reflect from whatever consequence that may follow after ama-actions wakhe. So you tell me la kwi-section ngezansi ukuthi what you think of this nurse's behavior. Do you think it was necessary? If ever mhlampe-ke bekuyisona isiguli ebesi-wrong, do you think kodwa i-behavior ye-profession, because isiguli asazi lutho about nursing and all that, sona sazi ukuthi nje kumele sineswe, yabo. Okunye nokunye bafethu nje okusho ngani la kwi-section ezansi, but as for me I don't think that was a good move by unesi wethu loyana, nanoma yiyiphi into eyenziwa ilesiya siguli, unless bekuwukuthi-ke isiguli bese simbamba or simphatha, yabo, or senza something. If it was for me, how maybe would I have punished her? I would have just went through izinto ey'fana naboma-fine kanje, yabo the behaviour maybe ngimenze axolise phambi kwazo iy'guli and do a video futhi la axoliswa khona kuzona iy'guli. Because we all know bafowethu, sinaney'nkinga-ke emakhaya mhlampe lezo zinto kodwa akusho ukuthi phela ziphazamisa amalungelo abanye abantu. Nako futhi ukuba isiguli doesn't mean ukuthi kumele uphazamise ilungelo lalo sisi because it will weigh very like it will weigh like lighter if we were to take mhlampe-ke i-case ngendlela e-serious. Sizwe futhi nangokwama-investigations because I'm very sure ukuthi kusazokwenziwa nama-investigations and as umphakathi because lento isivele yavela emphakathini. As umphakathi sizobe sesaziswa mhlampe yabo ukuthi-ke okay fine, kahle kahle unesi uza-act-e kanjeya yingoba kwakwenzeke u-one no two, three. So at this moment I'll say for me if kuwukuthi i-punishment nesiguli mhlampe sasine-input kwi-anger kasisi or kune-provocation eyenzakalile, regardless of i-law nani nani nani, but I would have taken some of factors yabo, some of the facts even if they don't apply that much necessarily mhlampe-ke kwi-law, but akekho umuntu okumele aphathwe kabi emsebenzini just because of kumele anikeze isevisi yabo, just because there's nothing. Naso isiguli futhi sikhumbule ukuthi isiguli in as much as sifikiswe ukuzolashwa la, naso sinama-limits. Kumele ezinye izinto yes uy'khulume nonesi, kumele futhi wenze according to indlela unesi asuke etshela ngayo because uyena ngaleso sikhathi ozama ukuhlenga impilo yakho.